Hi, this is Reza with Profile Traders. We are March the 5th and we are looking at a chart of Euro USD on a 5 minutes for Forex. And what I want to do here is go ahead and structure this chart so that it would become useful to me in order to locate areas that I would be interested to buy or to sell. So the very first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna box the last leg. So we're gonna put a line in here. We're gonna put a line in here. And this gives me now the big parameter within which market is operating. And I look at what's going on in here is that obviously after being severely beat up, market is giving us its first sign of strength, which is a combination of short covering and very early buying staging themselves. And now as it is coming down, I would like to know where my support will be. I definitely cannot rely on this current uptrend line because it was too stiff and it has already been violated. So that's useless. I'm going to take that out. I cannot rely on the previous trend line that was on the downside, hoping that if you project this to the future that I would get a contact point. But again, this was too steep and had very little chance to survive, and it has very little meaning. So the only option left is that I have to go back and find the most relevant area of past support, and that will be this contact point. Therefore now I have a good area that I would consider possibly buying, which is when price would come and touch the trend or the support line right here at 10,006, and I would then possibly consider buying in here against the low that is down there, which is the main low of the big picture swing holding the market. And then if I buy there, I will also have a good area for my target, which is the line at 10515. So that's the kind of analysis you want to do with, of course, other very valuable tools that I do teach. And if you're interested to learn, look at my website www.profiletraders.com.